Hi everybody! So we ordered this on eBay almost 1 year ago. I got this for my daughter last Christmas. That's really sad because we always said we'd put it together. But today is the day. We're going to put this together and we got the kitchen right there. It's a lot of parts. So you'll see why we never put this together, and it's been exactly one entire Christmas since we've gotten this. And I ordered this on eBay. And if it comes out good, we are going to order more. I think the total was $12. So here comes everything. That's it. I said everything is in the box. This bag is full of needles and fabric and everything you need to make it look like this. But it does seem a little confusing because it comes with like some hard plastic parts and stuff like that. So the directions are in English. It's supposed to look like that. Let me tell you how to build everything. And I think it even has a light, and the light is actually supposed to turn on. So he has all the step-by-step directions. So this is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to try to put it together for this video. Hopefully the video is not too long. We're going to have to speed it up since our video cannot be more than 19 minutes long or we can't upload it. So let's get started.
shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Okay, so now it's the tough part. We got our foundation.
They messed up.
The factory that sent this, they didn't really cut certain things to sizes, so we just had to do this.
No, she just cut it to mess it up.
And now it's gonna take. Now we're gonna press pause. We have to cut out all of these paper parts, and there's a lot of them. Okay, now we have to build some of this stuff like these little containers. We have to fold them and build them.
I had to connect wires though.
Hold on, I made the little miniature lamp already. Here's the lamp. Oh, I don't see wires right there. Just have to press this button. Turn off.
So go get an ice cream.
We'll be back. We're gonna fold all of these little tiny boxes up. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. We still got a lot more little parts to go. Plus, we still gotta hot glue and build all this furniture. This is really tough. And look at Helena built a little lamp.
Yeah, I had to connect to so many wires.
So cute. She built a little lampshade and everything. Okay, we'll be back with time for us to hot glue and fold more stuff. And we have to pause the video and work on this separately because this has already taken us almost 3 hours just to do this little bit of stuff. It's so much cutting and folding.
Put down my arm.
All right, this looks pretty good. But I mean, it was really hard. But we have the little oven and the drawers done. There's a lot of hot glue there. So
And
I think
see
next time,
this?
we're going to need to use super glue and tweezers. Okay, now we're going to put on the window and glue on some curtains. Okay, we built shelves. Okay, now we have to make these little pillows for these chairs. And we have to glue this fabric on the chairs too. And then we even have to put this little trim on there. There are so many details on this, but
There, Mom, I dropped it. It's on
it is looking cute. And we're just going to glue everything down because things aren't staying balanced and they're falling. Alright.
So now it's finished.
This is how it looks. It's not
And my mom messed up that.
exactly like the picture, but it's still good.
I'm not sure it was there.
You want to turn the light? Go and turn the light. We connected the light and we connected the back like this.
Wait, why is that there?
Just to protect the wires. Go turn on.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Here it goes. Does this look like a cozy kitchen?
I made the fire. No, but what's that thing? What would it
That's supposed to be a dish rack with dishes drying. And those things are supposed to be teacups, but they're too hard to fold. They're so tiny. So that's our version of it. Maybe I made the pillows too big. What do you think?
No, were you supposed to be sewing these?
Yeah, but we're just gonna hack because we don't have time for sewing.
Sewing is better.
Okay. That's our
Lazy
miniature
bones.
kitchen.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.